Hey guys, today we're going to see how quickly we can get an OBD-II style 1-gauge setup installed and tested. So first thing, I've got my power wires run to one of these cigarette lighter style wire plugs. So I'm just going to plug that into a port that I have here in my console. Second thing is I've got my OBD-II plug right here that's just going to install in the OBD-II port, which is almost always by the driver's left knee. Okay, so that's just going to push up in there. All right, and that's it. I'm going to start the car and see how it goes. All right, comes right on, ready to go. These OBD-II setups provide a few basic sensor readings. Obviously, you're going to get RPM. We've got coolant temperature up there in the top left corner. Voltage is automatically measured from whatever power source the 1-gauge is connected to. We've got ambient temperature in this vehicle. It does provide that reading. AFR is just an estimation based on the short and long-term fuel trims in your vehicle. It's not an actual AFR reading, but it will give you a general idea of kind of where the car's at and how it's running. Some vehicles provide a vacuum or boost reading. Looks like this one is not working. I may do a little calibration and see if I can get that going. But otherwise, I've at least got kind of my basic gauges going, and I get a good idea of what's going on, especially with the most critical gauges. Intake temp is another one that's also measured. I just need a screen with that on there. So intake temp, it looks like, is working here as well. It's pretty cold this evening. If I tap on the gas, get an idea for the response of the tachometer reading. Alright, so that's going to give you the basics. For any other sensors like oil pressure, fuel level, you're going to want those to be connected directly to the 1-gauge using the sensors that we provide. Fuel level, it will measure your factory fuel sender, and of course you can wire up things like turn signals and indicators as well, and add any other sensors that you might need. Happy to answer any questions about these.